Hi, and welcome to Awakening the Heart of You. This is about daring to be different. It's about being able to take a new direction and an exciting beginning of what that might be like as you become the best version of yourself. It all starts with a dream of something that you aspire to, and you may have a crystal clear vision of what that is, or who you are, or where you want to be right now, or what that would like to be. But most likely, somewhere there's this deep whispering inside you in your life or small business that you know that you could do it a lot bigger and a lot better. So I'm here to stir the pot a little, to get things going for those who want something different but need a direction and a new beginning. And whether that new direction or change is big or small, the steps are all the same. And whether you're spontaneous and just take leaps, or have an attitude that goes anything goes, or restless to resilient, this applies to you now. I'm talking to you who want to know what their true purpose is, and creating a vision that has substance. I hear a lot about true purpose, but sometimes from what I've learned in my own experience, that true purpose is just skimmed along. But when we really know what that is, and we can stand in it, it is so much easier, and everything falls into place. Turning your deep yearning dreams into reality is what this is about. And this is a way of thinking and being and creating like magic, and in time what you want. And I'm speaking about a true purpose, your fiery passion and unwavering commitment that is deeper and more permanent than just material things. If you're having trouble achieving what you desire, you have to be totally honest with yourself. And when you have potential to make changes, that is where it's most dangerous. And this is where we become most vulnerable. To stay and stand in our power, in our sovereignty, to hold on to the humility and the desire to serve is not easy. And staying true to our own heart often requires a foundation. So in this program, I steward you so you can accomplish exactly what you want in your life and business, as you can, and you will become the best version of you. So let's connect where you can uncover your hidden challenges, any blind spots, as well as any blocks or barriers that are affecting you, your life, your business, your finances, relationships. It's time to think differently and play different and shine in your life as you boldly proclaim, this is absolutely the best version of who I am. It's about becoming that, thinking that, speaking that, and feeling that, breathing that, and living whatever you can and love every moment of every day. This is Rini. I'd love to connect with you. Come and visit me at www.passionpossibilities.com. I'd love to chat. Bye for now. God bless, and I wish you well.